Hey everybody, AmeriCantonese91 here. I am about to go work Uber. I haven't worked for the past 3 weeks because I was busy preparing for finals, but since finals are over and I got a few good days of rest, time to get back to work. Because I haven't been working for the past 3 weeks, plus I'm still demonetized on YouTube, I haven't been making any money at all. I was actually spending a lot of money, so time to earn back what was once lost. Before I start working, I need to replace this with this. This is the new Uber Decals. I need to replace this by January 1st or else I will get cited if the police sees it. I don't want to get cited anymore. So Uber drivers, make sure you put these as your new Uber Decals by January 1st. And Uber riders, if you see this, you'll obviously know that's your Uber driver, but make sure that's your actual Uber driver. I mean, you can see our faces. Unfortunately, we can't see yours, so we have to ask for your name sometimes. And all Uber drivers, you should have gotten this in the mail like last month. If you haven't yet, visit your nearest Uber green light hub and they will give you this for free. Right, time to replace. Alright, time to get to work. Hopefully it'll be successful and hopefully I won't get cited again. FUSDPD. I just finished taking my lunch break, very late lunch break. It's still called lunch break even though it's nighttime, even at work. It should be dinner break. So I just had some bread, got some coffee, ready to get back to work.